Hello, I'm Ilpo from Finland, and this place where I am now, it's called Pikkujärvi in Finnish. In English it would be Little Lake, but it really isn't real lake, it's more like a swamp. There are a lot of birds here, and this is one place where I have been taking a lot of pictures of birds. Let's wait for a moment and see if they come close enough for you to see them. Okay, no birds. But if you are wondering how can this goofy man from Finland be in the middle of the swamp, it wouldn't be easy to walk here. It's not wet enough to be real lake, but it's wet enough for people to stay away. And I really am in the middle of it. And that's because of these duckboards. I came from there on these duckboards, wooden path, and if you say that you don't hear that many bird sounds but more like car sounds, that's because of in the other end of the duckboards there's that road that I crossed a few days ago when wait a moment, was it yesterday? Yes, it was yesterday. I crossed that road yesterday when I was going to that field where I filmed those 3 earlier films. So there's no peace and quiet here. But maybe you can still hear those bird sounds. And this is also very popular road shortcut between these 2 spots. So there are a lot of people walking here alone or with friends or with dogs. And I can tell you this is video number 5 in real life. I've been trying to film this many times already. Let's see if we can get this ready this time. I was born in Kolari in northern part of Finland, and I got used to walking on these duckboards in Ylläs. That's a mountain in Finland, or fell in Finland, and also ski center. So these duckboards seem to me like they are really short. There were kilometers after kilometers of duckboards in Ylläs, and every time I went there I could walk for hours and hours. This place, this is like 5 minutes when you walk from spot 1 to spot 2. So far my animal videos haven't shown that much animals, and I was hoping that there would be birds here close enough for you to see. But it seems like they are maybe 20 meters away, and this smartphone camera again isn't good enough to show them. I hope you can hear those sounds at least. Later we can come here back, maybe in 1 week or 2, and then these places with water will be filled with frog babies. I don't know what's that in English. I had to check what is pitkospuut in English. I didn't know that they are called duckboards until today. But this very spot is one place where I have been taking a lot of pictures of those baby frogs last year and year before that. There's something moving here, but they are not baby frogs, they are these I don't know what creatures they are. They look like they are little pieces of wood down there in water. I have taken some pictures of them too. But now I'm using this long lens. So with this I can't take pictures of those. This one is for taking pictures of moose and white-tailed deer and fox and roe deer and swans and cranes and big animals that are far away and too scared to let me come close. Okay, that's about it. Please like this video if you like this and subscribe to my channel. Bye.